Hey signers, it's our birthday! Can you believe it? Today's video is not only sharing birthday signs, but actually how Learn How to Sign was birthed. We can't wait to share the story and some signs too. Also, be sure to watch to the end so you can learn how to sign the happy birthday song. Hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with many more birthdays to come. So let's learn how to sign birthday signs. Our channel just turned 3. We started our channel on May 11th, 2019 as K&L Family Time. Back then, we were a kids and family channel where we spent a lot of family time with Kate and Lane, K&L. We did everything from vlogging, challenge videos, cooking, playing with toys, skits, and of course, sign language. If you want to see it for yourself, those videos still exist on our channel. Warning, they're a bit cringy. We did that 3 days a week for 6 months before taking a much needed break. During our break, the sign language videos on our channel started to perform well. In October of 2020, we rebranded our channel to Learn How to Sign. We're so thankful we birthed our channel 3 years ago because I wouldn't be here in front of you right now if we hadn't. And thank you so much for finding us, watching us, and of course, subscribing to us. All right, enough story time. Let's learn some signs. Birthday. Birthday. You're using your middle finger, also called your feeler finger, and touching your chin down to your chest. Now, there are many different signs for birthday, but this is the most common one used. Birthday. Happy. Happy. Your 2 hands are flat, going right over your chest, coming up, like in a happy motion. Happy. Cake. Cake. Your non-dominant hand is the pan, and your dominant hand is a C, making slices of the cake. Cake. Candle. Candle. Your index finger on your non-dominant hand is making the candle itself. Your dominant hand is moving back and forth like the fire, and then you can blow it out. Candle. Gift or presents. You have 2 X hand shapes and they're to their side. And it's like you're gifting somebody the present. Gift or present. Celebrate. Celebrate. Celebrate is taking X hands and wiggling them up in the air. Celebrate. Party. Party. You have P hands and they're moving back and forth like you're dancing at a party. Party. Invite. Invite. Invite is like welcoming somebody in. Your hand is facing upwards, pulling in towards your body. Invite. Food. Eat. Food and to eat is the same sign, just with a different movement. Food is twice, and to eat is once. This is what we call a noun-verb pair in sign language. Food, eat. Ice cream, ice cream. Envision your dominant hand is holding an ice cream cone, and you're licking it. Ice cream. Game, game. You have A-shaped hands, but the thumbs are out, and you're putting them down on their side. They're coming up against each other, like people going against each other in a game. Game. Play. Play. Play, you're using Y hands, and they're bouncing around like they're playing. Play. Born. Born. Your non-dominant hand is a flat arm, and your dominant hand is going right underneath. This is also like the sign enter, because a baby is entering the world when it's born. born. Now let's put these birthday signs into sentences and learn the happy birthday song. We are 3 years old. We, 3 years old. We. Our birthday is May 11th. Our birthday, May 11th. Okay, now are you ready to learn happy birthday? I would like to preface, this is the reason I do sign language. I don't sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, learn how to sign. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for celebrating our birthday with us. We wish we could share a massive cake with all of you. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified on all of our future videos to come. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.